Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Tusk profile aluminum roof on your Kawasaki KRX4 1000. This is going to provide you with some shade on those sunny days and help protect you from the elements. It's a staple item for any side-by-side, and we have combo kits with this available on our website. So check that out. Now, installation is simple to do. Let's get started. To start out, you want to prep your roll cage. I've already taken a clean rag with soapy water, wiped it down, and then installed the foam tape gaskets. Now you have several sizes. So the two 69-inch pieces are going to go from the front to the back. Put those on first. Then you've got the 40-inch piece in the front, 46-incher in the middle, and 45-incher in the back. Now if you're running other accessories that use roll cage clamps, you can go ahead and set those roughly where they need to be and trim any extra sections of this out. The whole point of this foam tape is to eliminate vibrations or dampen any movement between the roof and the roll cage. Now I'm going to have a friend help me set the rear section of the roof in place. Just make sure you have that rain gutter so it slopes down and is in the back of the machine. Now on both rear corners, we've got our M8 by 25 millimeter button head bolt. We've got a washer on there. We're going to go through the roof. Then between the roof and the gusset, we're going to install one of these thinner spacers. And we've got our flange nut on the back side. And we'll do the same steps on the other side. And we're going to leave all of the hardware loose on this roof until some of the final steps. After that, I'm going to have my friend help me set the front section of the roof in place. The wider section is going to overlay onto the rear section. Then you've got that bend in the front. Now for these middle mounts, I'm going to take another M8 by 25 millimeter button head bolt with a washer on it. I'm going to go through both sections of the roof. And then I've got another thin spacer. I'm going to put that between the roof and the gusset. And then again, we have a nylock nut on the bottom. So do that on both sides. Now it's time for the 5 shorter bolts. So these are your M6 by 16 millimeter button head bolts. We've got the washer on them. We're going through both sections of the roof right in the middle where they meet. And then the nylock nut on the inside. Now for the front 2 corners, we're taking the M6 by 25 millimeter button head bolt. We've got the washer on it, just like before. The only difference is this is the thicker spacer that's going to go between the roof and the gusset. So this is the 1/4 inch piece. And then again, the nylock nut on the bottom. And once you have those installed, all you need to do now is center up the roof from side to side and front to back. You have a little bit of adjustability. Once you have it where you want it, you just want to tighten everything down. You're going to use 4 and 5 millimeter Allens along with 10 and 13 millimeter sockets. So that's all it takes to install the Tusk profile aluminum roof on your Kawasaki KRX4 1000. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. And if you need to pick one of these up or any other accessories, head over to our website or just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, whether it's product spotlights or how-to videos, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.